Flies are very common in places like markets, restaurants, abattoirs, poultry and piggery shelters, and it is from here that they pick bacteria which cause diseases like cholera, dysentery and trachoma. Now, scientists at the National Livestock Resources Research Institute, Nakyesesa in Wakiso district, have developed a simple technology which traps these flies.
We have an attractant formulation that we put inside here. We add some water and a little soap to break the surface tension of the water. So these flies will come and look for a way of accessing that attractant. But once they land in the water with a little soap that breaks the surface tension, they sink. And so you have them increasing from down here. Originally the whole bottle was empty and white or clear, but now you can see this half which is black this is a mass of houseflies.
However, lead researcher and entomologist Patrick Kabira did not divulge what it contains to attract flies because of the copyright procedures he has to go through.
We are trying to make it in such a way that we have a packaged attractant that you can just drop in this, add water, it dissolves and starts being used. We want to get it to that level where it is packaged and registered as an attractant for controlling or managing housefly populations.
The scientists believe this simple technology will be very useful to Ugandans in curbing the spread of diseases.
In the kiosks in the villages, I've hated eating in those places because as you are eating, the blue flies are landing on your food.
It's even difficult to eat your food comfortably. You're fighting with the flies. And to at least manage the population of these flies so that you have an acceptable number. If one harasses you, that's acceptable, but 10, no, it's too many.
The scientists say it's an organic technology that will also reduce the use of pesticides that are toxic both to humans and animals.
These houseflies are dangerous because they vector diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, and trachoma. So in our efforts to combat this problem, we developed this technology that would help us to trap these insects in an organic way.
Actually, this was in the 50s when trachoma was a problem. And you know those flies come to the corner of the eye to pick whatever you wake up with, and then they go collecting from other people. And in the process, they were spreading trachoma. So science became culture. People began practicing science without knowing why. Now, how do we domesticate the science that I've found here? That people will do it like it is their normal culture, the way we greet each other.
Jingo Francis, NTV, Weekend Edition.